Happy birthday, Gabby!
Happy birthday, Gabby!
Some playful conversation sparks my imagination. Now we're swimming through the endless possibilities. Our hearts are intertwined, igniting like fireflies. I always knew this light would lead me back to you. La da 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 da, da 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 da. You walk in to say hello, and everything is beautiful. Your colors shine from head to toe. You're everything that's beautiful.
Happy birthday, Gabby! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, I love you! Happy birthday, Gabby! Happy birthday, Gabby! Happy birthday, Gabby!
You walk in to say hello, and everything is beautiful. Your colors shine from head to toe. You're everything that's beautiful. You walk in to say hello, and everything is beautiful.
Happy birthday, Gabby!
Happy birthday, Gabby!
Happy birthday, Gabby! Happy birthday, Gabby!
Happy birthday, Gabby! Happy birthday, Gabby!
Say hello, and everything is beautiful.
Lord, mahal na inanalangin sa Lolo, thank you for bringing me in this special day. Ito po yung araw na hinihintay ko. Sana po maging masaya po ito para po sa aming lahat na nandito.
Gabby, happy birthday. Alam ko masaya ka ngayon sa 7th birthday mo. At gagawin namin ni Mami ang lahat ng mga kaya namin para maganda sa iyong magandang buhay ni Arkin.
Magic of an accompaniment, tailor-made in the passion of today. Passion of today.
Happy birthday, Ate Gabby. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy. Binigay namin ni Daddy at Lord tong party na to para sa'yo. Kasi sabi mo ito nga ang gusto mong party. May bubbles, may magic, Tapos lahat ng friends mo invited, classmates, teachers. Gusto namin maging masaya ka ni Daddy at maging one of the most memorable day mo ito paglaki mo. Matatandaan mo na maraming taong nagmamahal sa'yo dito. Alam mo naman na deserve mo tong party na to kasi mabait kang bata, matalino, masipag mag-aral, syempre maganda. Lagi ka sana maging mabait na bata, lalo na kay Arkin. Kasi kayo ang magiging magkakampi paglaki. Kami ni Daddy, wala kaming kapatid. Kaya si Arkin ang isa sa pinakamagandang regalo na binigay sa'yo ni God.